So, alright guys, we're back with Chase. So remember, we're just working on getting this dog trained since she didn't get that TV gig. No fault of her own. They didn't want to pay the money that I was asking for, which I don't, you know, I really don't want to sell the dog, so, and we don't want to sell things around here. We make them insanely expensive. Sometimes someone will call you on it and buy it. Anyway, so we're just working on getting her down. Chase, and working on her healing. Good. I got my nick set on about 30. Good. Heel. Good. Down. I am adding, good, wonderful. Adding my pager right there for the down. She's a little farther ahead than Jake. Good. Wonderful, wonderful. And I'm getting to the point now where I'm going to require the dog to be over on that hip like that. Good. I'm just going to cause that to happen by bending her neck around a little bit. No. Down. Good. Good. Can't stress enough, you guys are going to be very, very interactive. I'm not going to just go good. You've got to seem very enthusiastic. Chase. Good. So you do that turn, heel. So again, we're going to put down.
Everybody's got to have a go, Pat. You got to
Good. The reward is going to be very behavior specific. Not because she didn't do it perfectly, because she did the behavior.
I'm watching.
Good.
They are good. Vacuum, wash, wax. Vacuum, wash, wax. You just stand over there and collect them.
Or it takes in.